Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to put multiple videos to private or friends or followers only easily in TikTok. So we are in profile. Now you see three lines, so click on it and then you see settings and privacy option. So again click on it. So we are in setting and privacy section. Now you see activity center. So again click on it. Now you see multiple option. Now you see manage post visibility. Now select. Now you see we have these videos, 5 videos private. So we are going to put multiple videos private or friends only easily. So you can select like we select 1 2 everyone. Next. So we are going to make it friends and then click on update. Now you see our 2 videos friend or followers only. Now you see 3 everyone. Again select next. Now you see only you update. Now you see 1 video only you, 2 video everyone and 2 video friends. So in this way you can change video visibility for multiple video at same time. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.